Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Monday. I hope everyone is doing great and I hope you're happy, guys. This is the new week. I hope you have your plans ready, by the way. I hope everything is fine. So, what is really happening this week? We saw that today, actually, China is starting to ease on the lockdown, and that can push the market to the upside, which is a good thing, by the way, because they've been on some lockdown for some time now. So it means that we might see some push up on the market. We saw that on NASDAQ when it was pushing up today, actually, maybe let's say 2 hours. 4 hours actually, it was pushing to the upside, which is great because maybe when the market opens, maybe we might see some push. Maybe we might see the market going up. You see, so which is something which I like because at least Corona on the other side is going down. Remember, China is also the biggest economy. So whatever that's going wrong that side, we're going to see some effects on the other side. You see, so that's what I see. So before we go, for those who wants to join the winning team, guys, if you want to join the winning team, monthly signals is $45. Monthly for the signals is $45. Those are VIP signals, guys. Then if you just want yearly membership and mentorship and also VIP signals, it's $150. On the mentorship side, it's where we go live on Google Meet. I teach you whatever that you need to know, and you improve from that. Plus, at the same time, you're going to get the signals. Simple as that. So, guys, if you are new to this channel, just know that later on, before NASDAQ open, we're gonna go live. You see, we go live and try to see what's really happening. So, if you did not subscribe, please make sure that subscribe, like, share with your friends. If you are part of the team, you know what to do. You can just like, it's fine. I really appreciate you guys for being here. So let's see what's really happening, by the way, without wasting some time. But it's still early, by the way. I can't say we're wasting some time. You can see that actually NASDAQ here, it's trying to push the upside. You can see, but still we are on that ranging move. So let's see what we can get from this. Let's see what we can get. You can see this is quite ranging. Actually, it's a ranging, so we don't have to jump on that. And now this is the second week where the market is just playing around the same thing. So it means there is a chance for the market to break that maybe later, but it means we were not active actually for the last week. For the rest of the week, last week actually, we did try to take something, but that did not pay out nicely. We just saw the market just ranging and we lost that. So now, as you know, we have to start with Bitcoin. So what's really happening on Bitcoin? I'll be fast on this because I hope you already watched my weekly analysis, which I did yesterday, and I do it every Sunday. So please go check that for better understanding of what's really happening, because I do this every day, guys. So what's really happening here is the market is still on that downtrend, but what I love now is, or what I like, I see the market is trying to go closer to this resistance. Maybe we'll see some breakout. But currently the market did not break that. So what we're going to do is we wait for the market to reach that area and see if maybe the market will break this and push the upside, or maybe the market will respect that and do whatever that it was doing before, because the market has been selling. You see, if maybe it respects this area, we might see the market going down again. But there is a chance for the market to do what? To break that and push the upside. Simple as that. So let's move to the next one. Which is German 30, German 40, DAX. What's really happening on DAX? This is 4 hours time frame, and we see a nice picture. We can even go on 2 hours time frame, because some guys they can say, Kenzo, Why are you using a bigger time frame? Because it's just the same thing. When you go to a smaller time frame, you're still going to get similar structure, but only when you understand this time frames, guys. We understand time frames very nicely. We understand time frames very nicely. I also sent you, on check the video. There's a video that I have sent here about trading tips, things that you can follow. You can just go back and try to watch that, because maybe that might help you to improve your trading career. Or let me just remove this so that you can see nicely. So what's really happening here is, as you see that the market was going down very nicely, the market was going down, down. You can see that downtrend was like respecting everything. Guess what? The market just broke out of that, and now the market is ranging around that area, and currently the market is exactly on that resistance. If the market is going to break that, just know that we're going to take it. Just know that we're going to take that trade, you see. So that's why I drawn something like this on the resistance. It means now we're gonna take that trade about a little bit above that area, not exactly when it breaks, because sometimes you can place the order very close and then the market just come touch your order, then goes back again. So we have to be like extra careful when we place those orders. So for example, we can say, okay, let's give the market a room, something like that. So it means, yes, we can miss some few pips, but missing few pips is better than losing something. So we can lose pips, ticks, whatever. Then the market might touch our order. Then we start to go to the upside, and from there we're gonna take it from there and continue with our analysis. But for better understanding of how I do these things very quick, it's better for you to join the team, guys. You can learn some very great stuff. You saw within 2 minutes I already like managed to analyze that very quick. Can you do that? Can you do that very quicker and able to even identify where you can enter? If no, then it's your time to learn. Learn. You see, it's your time to learn. So now we are on gold, guys. So gold is also giving us the similar move of what we see actually on NASDAQ, US30s, German 30s, German 40s, whatever, because we have they were all going down. You can see they were all going down, break out nicely. Guess what? When we think maybe the market will start to push the upside, the market started playing around and say, you know what, if you thought maybe I was just going to buy immediately, you guys, you just playing games. And indeed, we see that the market is just playing around these areas. We see that actually this is a very nice, straightforward, ranging move. And remember, we don't really have to participate actually on a ranging move, because it's easier to lose. The market will go up when you think maybe it will go up, it comes down again, and that will just trigger your emotions. You end up over trading, whatever. And when you check, you just lost your money on this small move, instead of waiting for a nicer move like this, or maybe a nicer move that might happen after on an uptrend. So you just risked everything there. And when you check, the market wasn't going anywhere actually, maybe for the past 3 weeks or for the past 2 weeks. You see. So be careful with these ranging moves. They are there, guys, to just take our money. Yeah, sometimes we can fall for that. We might think maybe the market is breaking out, but the market is not, and then we lose that. But it shouldn't be like every day. Once in a while, yes, we're going to still lose that, but we know that over time we're gonna make money. So what's really happening here is, yes, you can see this is an quite nice ranging move, but what we're going to do is, just because we broke out of this downtrend, we expecting some push to the upside. We expecting to some push to the upside, and maybe we're gonna get some trades around this area pushing to the upside. You see, simple as that. Simple as that. And yeah, simple as that. Let's push to oil. Yeah, you know, we smashed oil very nicely a few days ago. We smashed the oil. You also saw that the market touched this area nicely and pushed the upside. But before that, what was happening was the market is actually on an uptrend. We saw it moving from this area, trying to create something like that, and obviously I drawn that before it can even happen. So now where do we expect to buy again, as this thing is on on an uptrend. You can see this is on an uptrend very nicely. We have two options, by the way, to wait for the market to break that area and enter above that area, or maybe we can wait for the market to come around this area again before we can push the upside. You see, we have two options. The market might come down, maybe respect this area before pushing up, or maybe the market might keep pushing up and break that area and we can enter above that area. Simple as that. Because this is an area where the market is respecting currently. So yes, there is a chance for the market to go even lower and maybe to reach this area before pushing to the upside. So we have to also look for that. Yes, there is a chance for the market to break this area and push the lower side, but yes, we will see that because our support area is there. So it's not something that maybe that we're going to miss. We're going to see that, but we don't just go and we have to relax sometimes. You don't have to be on the chart the whole day. So screen time sometimes it's not really good. Sometimes you need some few minutes or even hours. You just, once I'm done with this analysis, I'm going to check the market maybe in 2 hours or 3 hours. I'm not just going to stick on the charts, because that will force us, or we will start to see things which are not there. Actually, we're going to see some like opportunities which are not even on the screen. Why? Because we looking at the chart too much. You see, watching on the chart non-stop, that will create some opportunities which are not there, which is something that people, they don't really maybe think it's possible, but it's possible. So we are on US30. What's really happening on US30? Quite similar to what we saw on German 40, and this is what we're gonna see actually on NASDAQ. You see, so remember what I told you is, in China, the lockdown is starting to ease on lockdowns, which might push the market to the upside, which is something that we want, by the way, which means that if maybe that is going to happen, it means we're going to see the market breaking this resistance. What's happened actually is, after this breakout, you can see the market was going nicely down. The market broke out, pushed very nicely to the upside. But after that, the market started to consolidate. When we thought maybe we just want to enjoy trading to the upside, but I'm used to this. I understand this type of moves, and even the people that I teach, I know they understand this type of moves. I'm not talking about the people who just receiving the signals, guys. Though for those who receive the signals, it's quite different to people who actually got the training, because when you receive the signals, you only get that, which is good if you make money, or if we make money. But honestly speaking, you're not learning anything. If I take a week off, which is not good, by the way, it means that you will be stuck and you will be waiting for me to show you something, while we're still preaching that go learn, not only from me. And for those who want to learn, by the way, here it's my contacts. You can just WhatsApp me, Telegram me. Yearly mentorship, like 12 months, and also plus VIP signals. It's only $150. If you want the signals only, it's $45. $45 only. Simple as that. So what's really happening on US30? We can see that there is not much that we can say. It's just a nice ranging move that I also showed you before. When the market was here, I showed you that there's a chance that the market might start to consolidate from that area. You can go back and watch that video. Maybe last week, Monday, go back, watch that video. I hope you're going to find that I knew about this, like not 100% new, but I know how the market moves, where the market mostly create this type of consolidation. This is experience, guys. And whatever that we learn, as long as we put that into action, it benefits us, because we're not going to get lost when the market is creating this type of moves, because we already understand what might happen. So today or this week, what might happen, I'm expecting the market, this ranging is now very clear. Maybe it will push up or down, whatever. But what I'm waiting for the market to break that area. When? I don't know. I don't know when that will the market will break, but I'm just waiting for a nice breakout. Then we can get on the trades above that. You see, We can get on the trades above this resistance, and we can start to eat, guys. We've been waiting, not eating, but at the same time, we're not losing that much. Simple as that. So it's quite it's quite simple. It's quite simple, guys. If you enjoy the content that I'm trying to share here with you guys, if you enjoy the content that I'm sharing here with you, please don't be shy, or just smash that subscribe, guys. Let's grow the channel. And thank you if you already smashed the subscribe. You can also like, so that YouTube can offer these videos to other people who want to learn the market. You see, simple as that. So let's go on NASDAQ. Let's go on NASDAQ. So what's really happening on NASDAQ? This, I was sending this to my group, showing them that actually this thing is consolidating, because I know people, when they see a small move, only one candlestick move pushing up, they will be saying, oh, the market is going up. Hey, the market is doing this. Just because, I don't know, maybe they analyze the market on 5 minutes or something, but it's fine. So what do we see on NASDAQ? We see that the market is actually going down. Sorry, it was going down. Then after, the market broke out here nicely. This is called a breakout, and the market is changing the trend. The trend was going down. Now the trend is about to go up, if it will keep with that, because there's a chance that the market can give us this breakout, but at the same time the market can go down again. You should understand that. So that's the reason why we don't really want to buy here, because there is a chance that the market might create something like that and push to the lower side. But for us to say we're gonna buy, we want the market to break our first higher high. This higher high is not broken, guys. So there is no point for us just to rush in that. So if the market breaks that, we will say, oh, it means now we're gonna have something like this. You see that? That's how an uptrend moves. This area must be broken. Then we can confirm that, okay, the market is pushing to the upside. And when the market is going up again, if we are here, for us to confirm that we're going up again, the market has to go above that. But now the market is not going above that. So that's why the market is struggling to break. Let me zoom that for you. We can nicely see that the market is struggling. The market is struggling very nicely to break this area. The market is struggling. So can you just jump and say you buy just because you just, I don't know. There's these people who just want to trade. I don't know. There's this thing in them, is just telling them to trade, and mostly they lose. So again, that voice that you hear that is telling you to do this, is not actually you, because if it was you, actually, if it was in your favor, you were not just going to lose non-stop. After it tells you to do this, or after you've blown the account, you will see yourself, actually you will feel that, yeah, I wasn't supposed to do that. It means that voice that you hear actually is not, it's not supposed to be there. Actually, try to teach yourself to follow the rules. But guys, we'll see when you follow the rules. What I love about the market is, yes, you can get rich quick. You can get rich quick, by the way. I think I will just do a video about this. You can get rich quick in the market if you follow the rules. But getting rich quick is not like getting rich easy. There is different, or maybe we confuse these two. There is difference between getting rich easy and getting rich quick. Getting rich quick, it doesn't mean that maybe it's going to be easier. You're going to apply the rules. You're going to do whatever that is supposed. And the quick, when I say quick, I'm not talking about 3 months, guys. I'm talking about like long term, like a minimum maybe of 5 years or something like that, which is something I think maybe it's, to me, that is very, very, very quick actually for someone to get rich, or maybe to start to make it much like better. But if maybe we're talking about 2 months, 3 months, whatever, then you're still dreaming, but you can still make it. But when we talk about the riches, it's a different thing. Or maybe just because we don't know, maybe unless if maybe we understand, let's say, rich in a different way, or maybe it differ It differs from one person to another. Some people, they can say, okay, I'm rich if I have only 100,000. It's good for them. But when we talk about like universal reach or wealth, it might take some time, but actually that is quick, because people, they take 30 years to reach like serious wealth. You see, people, they take 20 above actually. People who ask people who invest money, they invest their money expecting to make something in 30 to 40 years, which is, to me, I don't feel like that is good. It's too much. It's too much. But there's ways that you can actually get rich quick. But you just need to be some other things. You just need to be like learn other things. Make sure that you learn very quick. Like when you get a mentor, some people, they have been trading for 5 years. When whatever that they're going to teach you, they're going to compress that 5 years to you. Then now you're learning those things within weeks or days. 5 years in days. That's how you get rich quick, because now you have the right information. You read books. Those people, they were like, they took maybe 10 years or whatever doing the research, 5 years doing the research about whatever that you're going to read, and you're going to read that book within weeks. Then if you start to apply those things, it means now you know the things that they took 30 years to reach, but now you can apply those things very quickly. But not easy. Simple as that. So what we see is on NASDAQ, we see that the market is consolidating, and when the market consolidates, we do nothing. This is the first consolidation, by the way. Then if we get the other one, yes, we can continue buying, because that will be confirming nicely that we are on an uptrend, which is gonna be easy. But this first one here, we don't have to play it. We don't have to play with it, because it might be like seriously dangerous for our accounts. Thank you very much, guys. For those who wants to join the team, you know what to do. Those are my WhatsApp, Telegram, email. If you want to email me, you can just check. But 150 yearly mentorship and signals. $45 is only signals. Guys, later on we're gonna meet. We're gonna go live, by the way. We're gonna go live, and I try to teach you mostly. Remember, when we go live, it's not like we're forced to take any trade. If there is nothing, we are not forced to take any trade. But if there's an opportunity, yes, we're gonna take it. Simple as that. Why? Because we play by the rules. If you don't play by the rules, then you're just here to play games. And I don't want to play games, guys. I lost so much, so I don't really want to play games anymore. I follow the rules because I wrote those things down, and there's also so many videos that you can check, or that you can watch actually, to help you learn about those rules. But the best thing is to get someone who's gonna teach you that. Get someone who's gonna teach you that, then you will see the changes. Thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Bye.